Hi, my name is Miguel from avoiderrors.net. In this tutorial, I will be showing you how to format and reinstall Windows 7. Now I'm going to cover three things. One, how to install Windows 7 on a new hard drive. How to install or reinstall Windows 7 if you already have an operating system installed. And I'm also going to show you how to partition your hard drive before installing Windows 7. The partition process is only for those users who wants to create a partition before installing Windows 7. To begin, you need to restart the computer with the Windows 7 installation disk or recovery disk in the drive, and you should be able to see something like this. Press any key to boot from CD or DVD. Press Enter key. If you don't see this while booting up of your Windows 7 installation disk, you will need to change the boot sequence in the BIOS. I have a video tutorial that teaches you how to change the boot sequence in the BIOS. The link is in the description box below. Here, click on Next, and then click on Install Now. Then accept the license terms and agreement, and click on Next. Here, click on Custom Advanced. This is how it looks if you have an operating system already installed. So to do a clean install, you have to select the disk and then click on Drive Options, Advanced, and then click Delete. This will delete your entire hard drive, so make sure you have everything backed up, and then click on OK to the warning message. And the same with the system reserved. Select it and then click on Delete and then click OK. Now this is how it looks if you don't have an operating system already installed. If you want to create a partition from here, just click on New and then select the size of your drive C partition. Remember, it's in megs. So if you want to create a 20 gigs partition, you have to create a 20,000 megs. I'm going to cancel here. Now if you don't want to create a partition, just click on Next and it will install your Windows 7. Now I'm going to create a 20 gigs partition, so I'm going to select from my 60 gigs 20,000 megs. And then click Apply. Click OK to the warning. And now here it has created the system reserve and my 20 gig partition. Notice that the 20 gigs partition is already selected and none other, and I have 40 gigs available space that I can use to save files or as a virtual memory or anything else other than the operating system. If I click on Next, it's going to install Windows 7 on my 20 gigs partition. Now do not select the unallocated space after you have created the partition to install Windows 7. Not that it's going to damage your computer, you're gonna have an improper partitioned hard drive. Okay, I'm gonna go over this again. I'm going to delete my partition that I have created, the system reserve, and this is how it looks if you don't have an operating system already installed. Now all you need to do is select it and click on Next. If you want to create a partition, just click on New and select the size of the partition. I'm going to create a partition. I'm going to create a 20 gig partition and install my operating system on those 20 gigs. It's in megs, so it's 20,000 megs, and then click Apply, Yes to the warning. OK to the warning, I'm sorry. And it recreates the system reserve and the disk partition. Notice that it's already selected. All I need to do is just click on Next. That's it. Now, if you create a partition or if you don't create a partition, the installation process is exactly the same. This takes about half hour to 45 minutes. When you see the press any key to boot from CD or DVD, this time don't press enter. Starting services. Finish the installation process. Keep in mind, do not click on enter when you see the boot from CD or DVD. It's gonna restart like 3 times while in the installation process. Now it's gonna set up the computer for first use, video performance. Now all you need to do is just type your name and the computer name, click on next, set a password if you want, and then click on next. Insert the product key, which is on the disk or on a sticker on your computer, and then click next. Here we can select use recommended settings. That's the one I'm going to use. Click that and then set your time zone. I'm in the Eastern time, date, etc. and then click on next. If you're at home, select home network, click that. This is simple, but you have to be careful kind of thing. Perfect. Now you have successfully installed Windows 7. If you have any questions, please feel free to post them in the comment section below. I'll be more than glad to help you. If you like the video, please don't forget to thumbs up. Thank you for watching this video. My name is Miguel. If you have any comments, concerns, questions, post them in the comment section below. Thank you for watching.